It's weird thinking about the end.
Yeah,
like,
dude, that was a
planning for the
very
end.
weird conversation. Right. You walk into an attorney's office the first time we did our trust, and I've been back 6 or 7 times because you got to go update them. It's just weird thinking about the end. Like, holy shit, I might not be here. You know,
Right.
I might get hit by a car on the way home. That's weird. Yeah.
Oh man, it freaks you out, but like it gives you, what's it called? It keeps you grounded. At least for me, it keeps me grounded, keeps me focused.
Yeah, this is how I mean, I can only tell you the experience I had. So the first time you go, you get this big laundry list of questions you have to answer, right? What happens if you're incapacitated? Who makes who pulls the plug? What happens to the asset? Who gets what? I'm like, God, I was 30 years old. I'm thinking about who's getting what. I mean, like, who gets my
Yeah.
Rolex and who gets this? And it's just a weird conversation. But you go through that, at least I did, I think it took 2 weeks. And then you go back to pick up the package and you sign it. It was straight. There are very few days that I remember that clearly, but I felt like an adult, if that makes sense. I was like, oh, I just did something when I was 30 years old, 31. It's like, oh, I feel like an adult today. It was weird.